Alright, so the date is January 23rd, Thursday, 2025, around 1:45 a.m. Recently made a code update just a few minutes ago to Exquisite Sitemap, so then it now includes a link to the home page under the Pages category. Previously, it wasn't included, but somebody reached out and it was a good idea, so we just added this feature. It was automatically applied to all people's stores, so no action needed from anybody who previously had this app installed. That's all for this update in this code release. If you don't use this app already, check it out. It's called Exquisite Sitemap in the Shopify App Store, and it's free to use. And here's a brief overview of how to use it. On initial load of the app, you'll be taken to this home page where you can see a 2-minute video to install the app. Get started just takes you to the Generate Sitemap page, which you can click here, up there, or that button, and there's instructions on how to get started, or each of these steps are broken out so each page shows the instructions for that step. And then as it's completed, it will change from action needed to step complete. It's only 3 steps to install. You make a theme template for pages, and you just name it HTML sitemap. And you can do that by clicking up here, going to pages, and then create template, and then just name it HTML-sitemap. Once you've created that, you'd come back in here and it would now say step complete. The next step, you come in here, you can click this link or this one, and it will automatically add the app block to that theme template we just made. So if it's already there, it'll add it again. Just delete that. You save, and on the app block you can customize it a bit. So you can customize the page width, whether it's 4 columns or 1. You can remove the link underline or have it if you'd like. You can also change the color of the links. You can disable this section here, this page description, if you don't want it. Or if you want to hide certain categories, you can do that if you wanted to for some reason. You'd also change the name of each of the headings. So we could change pages to like all pages if you wanted to. You could also limit the max count of things displayed. So right now it's showing 3. By default it's 10,000, but if we wanted to only show 2 pages, you could do so, and you could save. Also show a count of all your pages. You can enable it or disable the app block, and you can change the name of the page if you'd like. So previously it was sitemap with 2 P's, but since we just updated that, it will change to 1. Proper spelling. You can also click to open up the link of the sitemap, or just edit, open the customizer if you want to edit this. There's also a tab for page exclusions. If you want to exclude certain products for some reason, you can come in here and do so. You just select and then click update. You can also exclude collections if you want, or certain pages or blogs. And then really the help page just kind of directs you to that tutorial video for the setup. And yeah, check out our sitemap app. It helps with SEO, and it's really easy to use. Thanks.